You can expect a lot from the 2019 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.